In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sing harmony without needing a piano. Ooh. So let's sing something. La la la. I really like to teach this video as a continuation of a video. I did before, simply because we're going to base it off of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tone scale. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then I want you to click the link below, start there, then come back to this video. Step 1, find the starting note in the song. To make things easy, we're going to use the song Row, Row, Row Your Boat, which goes row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. All right, so the first note is row, and we're going to call that 1. Then we're going to count from 1 all the way up to 5 and back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, which kind of puts our brain where we need it to be for us to do harmony. Step 2. I want you to choose what note you want to do the harmony on. Now, most likely you're going to do a 3rd or a 5th above, which is a 3 or a 5. So decide, do I want to sing a 3, 1, 2, 3, or a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either one will work. Most people have a preference. Preference. Most people have a preference of a 3 or a 5. Step 3. Choose a number and sing with that number as your starting note. So I'm going to choose 3. So our 1 is 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be my new starting note is here. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. So that's the harmony. That's actually the 3rd above the 1. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. A really fun way to practice this is in the car while you're driving. When you hear the chorus part, which is the part of the song that repeats a lot, listen to it. Think, what number is it starting on? What do I want to go above it, as in a 3rd or a 5th, and then sing from that starting note. Or you can also kind of copy what you hear on the radio. Click here for all my tips, tricks, and vocal hacks. Click here for warm-ups that I made just for you, and come hang out with me in my Facebook group. The link is down below. I will see you in the next song. La la la.